Sweden is well known for its high taxes, yet few Swedes are actually aware of just how much they pay in taxes. Swedes are taxed mainly in 4 different ways: income tax, employer's tax, general sales tax, and taxes on specific goods such as tobacco, alcohol, and petrol. All in all, these taxes add up to roughly 2/3 of a person's income. The income tax is the regular tax visible to the taxpayer, a progressive tax that averages a little over 30%. The employer's tax is what an employer has to pay for every employee. When this tax was established, the Social Democrat politicians argued that it was a means to tax the capitalists directly instead of the employee for the work performed. They often describe it as an added salary to the employee, whereby the people can be provided with even more government projects by taking even more from the capitalists. In 1970, the employer's tax was still relatively low, standing at 11.9%. In 7 years, they raised this tax no less than 20% to 32.15% in 1977. Government spending also increased dramatically without much discussion whether the expenses were really necessary. Naturally, it came in handy for the politicians that this tax wasn't visible to the employee and wouldn't provoke any reaction. Swedes also pay a 25% general sales tax called moms on most products and services. On top of that, specific products have added taxes. Alcohol taxes can reach over 80%. The rightmost column in this table is the tax portion of the total price. If what you pay in income tax is included as well, more than 90% of your gross salary is taken by the government if you spend your income on Absolut vodka. Taxes on tobacco can reach over 70% of the sales price. Petrol taxes are a fixed amount, amounting to a little over $3 per US gallon in today's currency. Today's cheapest petrol is 10.39 crowns per liter, or $4.9 per gallon. For comparison, the cheapest one in the USA is $1.82, only a little more than 1/3 of the Swedish price. Even when international oil prices have been very low, Swedish petrol prices have still been high due to the taxes. The oil price hit an all-time low in 1998, and back then the Swedish petrol price was $4.32 per gallon. For comparison, the US price went as low as $1.2, hence the Swedish price was more than 3.5 times as high. The Swedish Taxpayers Association has made a calculation of how much people pay in taxes when all taxes and consumption are considered. A blue-collar worker pays roughly 60% taxes, and a man earning median income pays 63%. It doesn't take a very high salary to reach 70% taxes.